Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's kind of a two-part video, all in the same video, but I am going to be unboxing or revealing, because I've already unboxed it. Can't reach it. Oh man. A brand new bag. It's a luxury bag. It's by a designer that so many of you love. I love. It's a really, really nice bag. I can't wait to share it with you guys. But I'm also going to be taking you over to my computer and we're going to be shopping all of the best designer sales that are live right now. So this is happening right now. This sale started today. It's Monday, the Monday before Thanksgiving. I don't know if you guys are aware, but the best of the best designer sales always start right now. Things sell really fast. So this is gonna be very quick. We're gonna go through find things that you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on bags, shoes, things that people pay full price year round, but right now you can save a lot of money. So everything that I show, I will link down below in the description box. I'll link the websites with the sales, the discount codes if you need any, and then obviously my favorite picks. So then we'll get into this bag that actually might be on sale now. I am not sure, but let's head over to my computer and see what we can find. Okay, so here we are at my computer, and guys, the sales are so good as I expected. I already pulled up some of my favorite pieces. So we're just gonna kind of go through the tabs, but I definitely wanna start with the Essence sale. Oh my gosh, the Essence sale every single year I feel like beats out all of them, so you should definitely check out their website. Let me just start off with a few that I pulled up. I love their YSL bags. They're like classic bags and you can save hundreds of dollars. Here is this gray mini Lou bag. This is a camera bag. It has the classic tassel, the classic YSL logo. I love it so much and you can save almost $200 on it. Let's move over to this tab. This is another YSL bag. It's the Black Snake Sunset chain wallet bag. I've heard really good things about the Sunset bag just because of the top handle, but also the long strap as well. And I just love the textured detail to it. And of course, the YSL logo is beautiful. You can save almost $500 on it. Let's go to this Chloe bag. So I already have this bag. Where is it? It is right here. This is the Chloe Nile bag. I have raved about this bag for so long. I think it is so beautiful, such a stunning designer bag. And so they do have it on sale here. Again, almost $500 off. Definitely check out just the websites as far as color options. So this is one color, but they have others as well. Let's move on to this other tab, which is the Givenchy Antigona bag. And this is the mini size. This is the size that I personally love the best. I have this bag in a maroon burgundy color and I love it. This I actually might like better just because it is black and it's the crocodile print. I'm obsessed with crocodile right now. So on this bag, you save again almost $500. And if I just scroll down, you can see what it looks like on the model. So this bag is kind of bulky in the normal size that people tend to go for. And I think it's great to hold a lot, but it is pretty bulky. So that's why I do prefer the mini size. So let's keep going. And so this is just, the Essence sale again. And see, as you can see, there's a lot of classic YSL bags on sale. So this one, you save almost $300. This one, almost $500. I love the matte black on it. Just kind of narrow things down. There's a lot of YSL stuff, but I also pulled up here, there's some Loewe things. Here is the Loewe puzzle bag in the tan color that everybody loves. So if you've been wanting that bag, jump on it. I really think that's gonna go fast. Okay, let's move on to a different sale, which is Fashion File. So if you're not familiar with Fashion File, this is all about pre-loved bags, but they are verified, they are authenticated. I love Fashion File. I highly recommend them and they never have sales. So for the next 24 hours, they are having a 10% off sale for everything, even new arrivals, new items. So that's just kind of unheard of. So if you've had your eye on literally any bag, just go up to the search criteria. and just search whatever you want and they probably have it. So let's just do Louis Vuitton Neverfull, for instance. And yes, there's so many. There's the monogram version, the Demi Ebene, the Azur, there's GM, MM, and they're already lower than if you were to buy full price because they are pre-loved, but you can get excellent condition and then on top of it, save an additional 10%. Or maybe you're looking for a Chanel bag, so you could just type in Chanel, and then they have so many different Chanel things. They've got Chanel Jumbos, boy bags, they have Chanel brooches. Here's this Coco handle bag. Literally whatever you're looking for. Again, just go up to the search, type it in and there's many options. They have amazing pictures, very good descriptions, and I really do trust them. So let's move on to the next sale, which is the Neiman Marcus sale. They are having a huge designer sale. I went straight to the bags. They have this beautiful Faye Chloe bag that I love, and then Tory Burch. If you're a Tory Burch fan, they have a lot of really great Tory Burch bags on sale. This one, I love this Kira quilted leather bag. Mega on sale. Yeah, just scroll through things, just kind of, narrow things down by what you love. I love this Tory Burch nylon logo tote bag. I used to have this in black. I wore it to death, and then I actually ended up giving it to a friend because she really wanted it, but I highly recommend that tote bag if you've ever been considering it. Let's move on to the Nordstrom designer sale. I love Nordstrom. So this bag is already on sale. It's the medium test calfskin Chloe bag, which I have right here in this exact color. So if you switch to the color options, this is the Mati gray color. It also comes obviously with this strap, so you can wear it over your shoulder, you can wear it as a crossbody. It's just a really versatile bag, and I've been loving wearing it, but it's 40% off. So you should save money because I didn't. Next we have Saks Fifth Avenue, and again, just really good sales. YSL, Balenciaga, Burberry, just so many good pieces. Valentino. But speaking of Valentino, I wanted to go to Saks Fifth Avenue. Again, lots of sales, but they seem to have a lot of Valentino shoe sales, and I personally love Valentino shoes. I don't have any bags of them, but I love this rock stud ankle boot. Here's a rock stud pump, and it is black. So check those out. We're just gonna end with Net-a-Porter. I think they're having a great sale as well. You can just go through and narrow things down like I keep saying, but I do see that they have some Golden Goose sneakers, and they are very much off, 30% off. Those are pricey shoes, but they're really in right now, and you could save a lot of money on them if you've been eyeing them up. So anyway, everything will be linked down below, but let's head on over and see the new bag that I got. Okay guys, let me just come back over here now, get situated. You guys don't realize there's a lot of setup with all of this, okay? So, okay, I am ready now to reveal the bag. If I can reach it. Whew, okay. So this bag is from Farfetch. Love Farfetch. Not sponsored. Let me just open it here. And guys, I am prepared. I am fully prepared with the name of this bag. And it's from, I almost revealed it, but I didn't. Let's go back in there. It's from Saint Laurent. YSL. It's pretty much just sitting right here. This is, I don't know, my reveals are getting worse and worse as I go on. So it is the medium Lulu shoulder bag. I messed it up. The medium Lulu shoulder bag. I think I got it right. Oh man, this is such a pretty bag. I'm pretty sure that I first saw this on Chase Amy's channel. Then I think I saw it on Mel in Melbourne's channel. I was influenced, okay? I just really like it. And it's definitely, I know a lot of people won't like it, but that's okay. It feels so nice. It is lambskin, but it's just like so squishy. It holds so much. The hardware on this bag is a matte black. So a lot of them come in different hardware colors, obviously. I just thought the matte black with this puffer, it's kind of like a puffy, it's definitely a winter bag in my opinion. I mean, you could definitely wear this year round, but I'm just really into the shoulder bags right now. As you can see over there, right there, that is a recent purchase as well. This is a Louis Vuitton bag. I kind of want to do a video comparing shoulder bags because I've just, for the longest time I was into crossbody bags. Now I'm kind of into shoulder bags because I just want to, I don't know, it's just like so easy to throw over. It fits over, you know, coats and stuff. You fit so much, and this is just so squishy, so nice. It's just so nice. Magnetic closure, it's like an envelope style bag, and you can really just throw in so much stuff and you're good to go. Okay, so I just want to get a little closer so you can actually see the bag, and I'm gonna go back to the matte black hardware that I really liked on this bag. I feel like it just looks a little more edgy, and then the chain goes like this or like this, so it definitely can be a shoulder bag, but it could also be my beloved crossbody as well if I wanted to go that route. It's so squishy, and I know I said that it is lambskin, which probably freaks a lot of people out, but to be honest, it feels more durable than my Chanel lambskin bag that I have. Even when I run my fingernails over it, it doesn't leave that mark. Like, it just, and I don't know. Like, I don't know how long term it will wear. We will find out. But I'm just saying it feels really good, and it doesn't seem like I have to worry about it. Okay, I'm sitting back down now. So this bag is definitely a little reminiscent of my Chanel black jumbo bag, but this is more squishy, just easier, kind of more casual, a little edgy. So I'm just so excited to use it, and I think it'll be a great bag that I'll always be grabbing in the next few months, and hopefully all the time. I love my current YSL bag. It's one of my favorites. This just holds a lot more, so we'll see what happens. So that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to check the description box down below if you want to shop any of the amazing designer sales happening right now. I'll have the websites, any discount codes you may need, and then some of my favorite picks. So I have more content coming your way this week, but if I don't see you or you don't watch any of my videos, then I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, and I'm so thankful for all of you. So thanks again, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.